In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively close your QuickBooks Online account and ensure that everything is in order before you say goodbye. This process involves a few critical steps, so let's walk through them together to make sure you leave no stone unturned. First, open your preferred browser. While any browser will work, we recommend using Google Chrome for optimal performance with QuickBooks Online. Once your browser is up and running, navigate to the QuickBooks Online website. Once you're there, log into your account with your credentials and you'll find yourself in the familiar QuickBooks Online interface. Now, this next part is crucial. Before you even think about canceling or closing your account, take a moment to back up any important data that you might need later. This includes reports, invoices, or any other financial documents you deem necessary. It's worth noting that once we proceed with cancellation, your access will be limited and deletion can be permanent. So, a little preparation at this stage can save a lot of headaches down the line. Now, let's move on to the cancellation steps. QuickBooks Online doesn't allow users to delete their accounts outright, but you can cancel your subscription to prevent further billing and, in essence, close your account. To start this process, click on the gear icon, which you'll find in the upper right corner of your screen. This will open up a menu for you. Select Account and Settings from the available options. In the next window, navigate to the Billing and Subscription tab. This is where all the magic happens. You'll see an option to cancel subscription, or it might say Cancel QuickBooks, depending on your version. Clicking this option will initiate the cancellation process, but you're not done just yet. You'll need to follow the prompts that appear to confirm your cancellation. QuickBooks might ask for feedback or confirmation to ensure this is truly what you want to do, so be prepared to provide any necessary responses. Once your cancellation is confirmed, your account data will remain accessible for a limited time. This grace period is the perfect opportunity to download any final data you may have overlooked. Rest easy knowing that no further charges will occur post-cancellation, giving you peace of mind as you transition away from QuickBooks. Yet if you decide you want your data to be completely removed from QuickBooks' servers, you're going to need an extra step. Contact QuickBooks support directly and request account deletion. They typically require this direct approach to ensure that all deletions are intentional and authorized. And there you have it. These steps outlined should guide you smoothly through the process of closing out your QuickBooks Online account. Remember, preparation and attention to detail make a world of difference, so take the time you need to ensure everything is right. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out.